Good morning.
Hello.
Another Central Oregon Bend hike today.
Yeah. Today we are hiking along the Deschutes River, just outside of Bend, Oregon. We are doing
Dillon Falls to Benham Falls.
It's about 7 miles. If you check out a video that we did last year, we did it from our resort, which is Worldmark, and we went to Big Eddy.
Yeah, I think we went to Big Eddy,
Yeah.
Watched the rafters come down, or the
Yeah, it was cool.
whitewater rafters. That was pretty cool.
But yeah, we're just slowly continuing on throughout the year.
Just hiking different parts of the Deschutes.
Yeah.
So, let's go on this adventure.
All right.
All right. Alright, so we are at the lovely Deschutes, and just a FYI, you do have to head downriver to Dillon Falls, and now we're heading back upriver to get to Benham Falls. So, let's go.
Wow.
That was a little scary. So gorgeous. go upriver. Update time.
Update.
We're about probably a little over 2 miles in.
Yep.
On the way to Benham Falls. Easy trail so far.
Beautiful.
It's been clear.
Not too many people on a Saturday.
No, which is surprising.
Yeah. A little bit of rain, a little bit of sun. Great day.
Yeah.
Almost to the falls. Let's go.
Let's do this.
Hang from the tree. Hang from it. It's gonna break your ankle if you're live on video, folks. There you go.
All right, Brian's gonna do it. He's gonna hang from this tree. Oh my God.
Oh, Jesus. Right, the water has
Come rapid. Dish.
Yeah.
Rapids.
We've got some fast water coming on. All right, breaking news. We found a Bigfoot nest. Oh, what?
What?
Better get out of his house. He'll get you.
He's gonna get me.
He's gonna get you. Let's get out of here. Go, 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 go.
Wait. Here. Oh. So there.
And then we're gonna continue on. Finish it up. All right, let's go see these falls up close and personal.
Alright, that is it from Benham Falls. Falls of the Falls Trail. Awesome. And now gonna get some lunch and then head back to the car. Hey Marisa, do that snappy thing where we go light speed and end up
Light speed and we're just back at the car all of a sudden?
Do it!
All right, here we go. Done. Whew. That was a good one. So what we end up doing?
7.8 miles.
Holy moly.
Yep. 300 feet, something. 350.
Something like that. It was a good hike. Not a lot of elevation, but just a long one. But it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Follow the Deschutes River.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Can't go wrong.
Can't beat that for our last bend hike.
Yeah.
So Now it's
We're
time to
toast.
go relax.
Time to go to some breweries.
3 hikes in 3 days, and I think we counted probably about 20 miles altogether over the last 3 days. So that's pretty.
What?
It's pretty huge.
Yeah.
Our legs are hating us, but
Yeah.
thank you for joining us on our PNW adventures, and we'll see you on the next video. Deuces.
Bye. Go light speed and end up.
Oh. Light speed, and we're just back at the car all of a sudden.
Do it.
All right, here we go.
From hiking down. We'll go back to it. All right. We hiked down.